Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Find relief for your aches without surgery. If you need help for your neck and back pain, our next guest uses the latest technology to find the problem and fix it so you can live pain-free.
Here with the details, Dr. Israel Villaseñor, or better known by his patients as Dr. V, who is a chiropractic physician with Las Vegas Neck and Back Solutions. Good morning and welcome.
Hello,
Well,
sir.
thank you. Glad to be here.
Our pleasure. Now, you say that the Class 4 laser treatment is truly a medical breakthrough. Tell us about this.
Yes. Well, in fact, in all the years of my practice, I've never seen such an incredible device as the Class 4 laser. We're using this laser in the office to treat herniated disc, bulging disc, canal stenosing, facet arthrosis, numbness, tingling, burning in the hands and feet, and carpal tunnel symptoms. You know, in fact, let me tell you, carpal tunnel, 85% of all carpal tunnel symptoms are neck problems.
No kidding.
Not wrist problems.
Wow.
So people that are looking at or have been told maybe that they need surgery need to call my office. I'll give them a second opinion. We'll have that evaluated to see if we can prevent that surgery.
Absolutely. Everything's kind of interconnected.
Yeah, and we can help them get rid of that pain and live a pain-free life.
Now, is a pain-free life really possible for everybody if they've had this problem for 15 years? You can't take care of it. You can.
Yes, and this is the thing. There are millions of people walking around right now living with their pain because they've been told to live with it. Take this pill. You're not a spring chicken anymore. Just take this pill, deal with it, deal with the injections, and deal with the surgeries. Now, we can treat these herniated discs, bulging discs, these painful symptoms without drugs, without needles, and without surgery. That's what we do in our office.
A lot of people think, though, that's the only solution is to have the surgery, and you're saying that's not the case.
Well, okay, good question, because surgery is fast becoming obsolete for these types of conditions. You know, people are looking for new methods, new lasers. People are actually a lot more intelligent about these matters. They're more educated, more sophisticated. So they want answers. They don't want excuses. They don't want addictive drugs. They don't want painful injections. They're just tired of all these failed back procedures. So what I'm offering now is a revolutionary procedure that can change their life. And they'll treat the herniated disc, treat the bulging disc, treat the sciatica, and the painful numbness and tingling that they're having to deal with. They can actually live that pain-free life.
So for people that have been told they should be getting spinal surgery, you say to them, come to you first.
Yeah, well, let me tell you why. This is the thing. So let's kind of back up into this thing, because surgery, like I said, is not the answer. 50% of all surgeries are unnecessary.
Wow.
So, and that's if they're successful. So you might as well flip a coin before you go in to have surgery. And this is the challenge that people are facing right now. They don't want that surgery. So I'm offering them a painless, no needles, no drugs, no surgery option where we can actually take care of these problems.
So most people are a good candidate for this, would you say?
Yeah. Anybody that's dealing with herniated disc, again, bulging disc, sciatica, carpal tunnel symptoms, numbness, tingling, burning. I know. These are the things that people are struggling with, and they want answers. They want solutions. They don't want surgery.
Now, there are people that have probably been living with the pain 10, 15 years, and they're living off of old advice that you have to take the pills, and you don't have to. Laser treatment can actually prevent surgery or prevent that pain.
Yes. Yes. Let me tell you how the surgery works to prevent the pain and the surgery. Because what the laser does is it penetrates deep within the body, and it actually surrounds the healing the injured tissue there and speeds up that healing process. You can see that on the screen there. And yeah, it stimulates the healing process. It literally accelerates that healing of the disc. And then it also reduces scar tissue. And it also brings in invaluable blood flow, up to 500% more blood into the area. And this is important because your body uses that to heal the tissue and accelerate that healthy cell growth. And that's what we do in our office with the laser.
And why do you think a lot of people have not heard about this laser treatment?
Well, it's new. A lot of people are kind of stuck in the old pain management with the drugs and the exercise.
Because that used to be the option back then.
Yes, yes. That is still the old protocol that they're using. They just haven't essentially caught up to the 21st century. They haven't caught up with the times.
No question. Now people, they try to avoid, they try to avoid doctors, try to avoid all the craziness. Your office, your staff, very nice, friendly, and a welcoming environment.
Yeah, well, yes. In fact, that's one of the biggest compliments we get from our patients is that our staff is just so accommodating. They're loving. And rightly so, because when people come to us, they want to be healed. They want to eliminate their pain, and that's what our staff is trained to do. They're trained to listen and then help that patient accomplish this pain-free life that they're looking for.
And really quickly, tell us about your special.
Okay, good, because those people that are suffering with all these conditions, the herniated disc and bulging disc, I am offering a very generous offer of giving them a free exam and 2 free sessions, absolutely free. So if anyone's suffering with these types of conditions, you know, a friend, a neighbor, an uncle, a cousin, a granddaughter, grandson, tell them about what they've heard today on this program.
Excellent. Doctor, thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you.
No, thank you very much.
Again, Dr. V wants you to find pain relief without surgery. He's willing to prove it by offering a free consultation and 2 free laser treatments to the first 25 callers.
Very nice. For more information, you can go to LasVegasSpineAndDisc.com or call the number on your screen. Dr. V is also on Facebook and Twitter, and his offices are in Henderson.
Still